Once upon a time, over 2,000 years ago in Israel, a Jewish carpenter changed the world. The Son of God, Jesus Christ, brought a message to the people. His disciples spread this message from country to country, from heart to heart. Throughout the centuries, it has been passed on. But today, the distraction is greater than ever. Many children are no longer being reached by the message. God's Ark brings the Bible to life for children, a construction kit through which the message can be told in a lively and understandable way. Figures and landscapes, scenes to act out, stories that reach the heart, so that children listen eagerly to the Word of God.